mother, she cooks a very different kind of गलौटी कबाब, कुछ खानदानी रेसिपी है उनकी. I was just so excited. I was like मोतीचूर के लड्डू गरम करके, गरम पता ही नहीं चले, मैं खाती गई और फिर मुझे 2 मिनट बाद लगा ओ शिट मैंने 1 किलो खा लिया. मेरा इतना सेट पे जाना वाना होता नहीं, मेरा सेट ही मेरा घर है. सो आई कैन ईट व्हाटएवर आई वांट, घर पे ही बनता है. We all discuss that with our friends, our sex lives and everything. I discuss everything with my female friends. I want to date a straight guy, if that's what you're asking. I don't care, by the way, if he is taking care of his skin or whatever. That is okay with me. Actually, I'm not comfortable, so I'm not demure. I have a lot of insecurities and ऐसा ना हो कि फिर 80 साल की हो जाऊँ मैं और फिर कुछ बचे ही नहीं. I can't, फिर प्राइवेट जेट भी ना मिले और लड़का भी ना मिला फिर तो मैं ऐसे ही मर जाऊंगी.
Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here on Zoom channel on my special show Street Diaries. और आज मेरे साथ में एक ऐसा शख्सियत है जिनको फॉलो तो आपको करना ही पड़ेगा. So join me as I welcome Urfi Javed on Zoom channel.
Hi Samina, how are you?
I'm good. First of all, lovely to see the way you have been recognized for your work and especially follow कर लो यार. बताओ follow कर लो यार के बारे में और कुछ.
So follow कर लो यार is the BTS of all the reels that I post on Instagram. It's just a BTS of my life. It's a follow reality series where you can see the cameras were just following me for some months and that life, you can see that life now on Prime.
But we, unlike other celebrities, we have seen one thing about you, that you are quite open about your life. You don't try to play the hide and seek with the media, you know, and that is what makes you Urfi Javed. That's what makes you unique from a lot of people. But were you a bit conscious when you entered the glamour world that, you know, you have to be in a certain manner, you have to just, you know, mince your words?
I mean, when I got fame because of this only. So not like I was scared. I knew that this is the tactic that I have to use to get more and more fame. I was not a celebrity in the beginning to hide anything. For me to become a celebrity, I had to use these tactics. So, but you never know in future. What if I completely go Kim Kardashian and like just stop talking and you know, that can also happen.
But you were one of those personalities who is considered as the game changer in India, especially because celebrities have been very conscious about their whereabouts. You were not like that. You were friendly with the paps. You have posed whenever you have to, you know, and you have been very bindas in whatever you would wear. Did it also come with some shortcomings, as like, you know, were you like, as you were constantly trolled also, you know?
I mean, shortcomings are there, of course, with everything that you do, and I can't blame other celebrities for being private. That is just the way they are, and this is just the way I am. Not everyone likes to be photographed all the time, and not everyone wants to be photographed. It's this field that we've chosen. We want fame, and I feel it's part and parcel of fame.
लखनऊ में काफ़ी अच्छा खाना मिलता है, and we have heard a lot about it, like टुंडे के कबाब and all that. अगर आपकी लखनऊ की कुछ memories, if you could talk about it.
I love the food in Lucknow. शीरमाल कबाब, टुंडे कबाब, जो चौक में जाके अमीनाबाद चौक वाला जो मेन है, फिर चौक में ना एक शॉप है मुबीन. यू कैन, आई यूज टू गो देयर विद 5-6 ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स. 500 रुपये में हम लोग पेट भर के खाना खाते थे. कबाब पराठा, बिरयानी, पसंदा कबाब, कुलचा निहारी, और ये इतना पूरा मतलब भर जाता था सब कुछ, और सिर्फ 500 रुपये में. इट वाज, हर लखनऊ के तो हर गली कूची में स्वाद है. सर्दियों में एक स्पेशल डिश मिलती है मक्खन मलाई. इट इज़ आउट ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड एंड इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दौलत की चाट. दौलत की चाट इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट विच इज़ नॉट गुड. आई लाइक मक्खन मलाई, सो डिलिशियस, क्रीमी. बट किसी शॉप से नहीं लेना है, वो जो ठेले वाले बेचते हैं ना, उनसे ही लेने का, तब स्वाद आता है.
लखनऊ में एक और एक डिश है जो दूध का कुछ, यू नो, देयर इज दिस दूध की मिठाई, बिकॉज माय सिस्टर्स फ्रेंड शी इज आल्सो फ्रॉम लखनऊ, और कुछ दूध की मिठाई होती है, वो आपको पता है उसके बारे में?
सारी मिठाइयाँ दूध की
जो
होती
बहुत सॉफ्ट होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा, वो मेल्ट हो जाती है.
यू आर डिस्क्राइबिंग सो मेनी मिठाईज, आई कांट. दूध का तो मिल्क केक भी होता है, दूध की तो बर्फी भी होती है. कौन सी फिर मिठाई?
I don't know इट्स लाइक वेरी सॉफ्ट और मुझे खानी है वो, मैंने बहुत टाइम से उसके बारे में सुना है।
मलाई गिलोरी,
या मलाई की है कोई।
आई थिंक दैट्स मलाई गिलोरी।
Yeah.
तो मलाई की ऊपर की लेयर लेते हैं, उसमें ड्राई फ्रूट डाल के उसको पान की तरह शेप करते हैं।
अच्छा, और फिर वो खाते हैं डायरेक्टली।
हाँ यार, इट इज़ वेरी डिलिशियस, आई लव मलाई गिलोरी।
आप जब यानी बचपन की अगर आप आपकी मेमोरीज अगर कलेक्ट करो तो आप कहाँ पर यानी ज़्यादा जाना पसंद करती थी, यू नो, खाने के लिए?
मुझे इतना अलाउड नहीं था कहीं पे भी जाना खाने के लिए, आई वॉज नॉट अलाउड।
अच्छा।
पर चुपके चुपके से इधर उधर कैसे भी चली जाती थी मैं। सो आई वुड लव टुंडे कबाब पराठा। शीरमाल का रोल बनाते थे हम लोग, थोड़े से कबाब डाले, चटनी डाली और क्या बोलते हैं प्याज वाज लगा के वो रोल मिलता था शीरमाल कबाब। और बास्केट चाट रॉयल कैफ़े की बहुत ही पॉपुलर और फेमस। तो कॉलेज बंक करके मैं यहीं जाती थी। और इदरीस की बिरयानी, आई यूज्ड टू लव इट। एंड दस्तर खान एक रेस्टोरेंट है, उसका बटर चिकन इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट बटर चिकन आई हैव एवर हैड टिल डेट।
What do you really like about your mom, which you know she cooks for you and आपको वो काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है?
Oh yeah. So my mother, she cooks a very different kind of गलौटी कबाब। एक कुछ खानदानी रेसिपी है उनकी, पता नहीं इतना सॉफ्ट होता है। इट्स जस्ट शी मेक्स इट इन प्रेशर कुकर कबाब। It's very different and it's very nice and it just melts in your mouth and she makes amazing biryani. I love her biryani.
But have you tried your hand on like cooking food? आपने ऐसा कुछ बनाया हो?
If you've seen Farah Khan's vlog right now, I cooked mutton korma. मटन कोरमा बनाया था मैंने and I can cook very well. Everything you tell me, mutton korma, even homemade pizzas, pastas, kebabs, biryani. I cooked biryani for my ex-boyfriend and his mother still loves me.
Oh wow, that's
Yeah.
lovely to hear. But also as we see, you know, आपकी एक चीज़ जो मैं काफ़ी strictly follow करती थी was your skincare routine and मैंने आपको personally बोला था and I really want to know about that. What Urfi Javed does. Apart from the other treatments, that's something, you know, of course, for your celeb life.
नहीं,
lifestyle and all, but
ट्रीटमेंट से ज़्यादा I like to stay as natural as possible. मतलब जितना हो सके घर पे कोलेजन का पानी, कोकोनट वाटर, एंड देन देयर इज अ स्पेशल फेस पैक दैट आई पुट ऑन माय स्किन लाइक लिटरली एवरी सेकंड डे। पहले तो मैं एलोवेरा का एक लेयर लगाती हूँ, फ्रेश एलोवेरा। उसके बाद मुल्तानी मिट्टी, फर्मेंटेड राइस फ्लावर, थोड़ा सा गार्लिक, कच्ची हल्दी रॉ हल्दी जो आती है ना, वो कूट के डालनी है उसमें, थोड़ा सा दही, इसको मिला के रोज फेस पे लगाती हूँ। इट इज़ अमेजिंग। द फर्मेंटेड राइस फ्लावर इज मैजिक।
and there's this some vodka recipe also which you had, you know, put. I told you also.
I don't know. I used to use it as a astringent, but I think it didn't work for my skin. बहुत टाइम तक मैंने यूज़ किया, and then a lot of people also told me कि ये सही नहीं है, so I listened to their advice. My doctor also told me, so I stopped using it.
Okay, especially your outfit, that is top point, you know. Or recently when I saw the lizard one also, मुझे लगा कि सच में real lizard तो नहीं है. That was of course a joke, but the way you have tried, you know, having your outfits और काफ़ी अच्छे से designer wear, ये idea कहाँ से आया आपके पास?
आइडिया मतलब ऐसे कोई एक स्पेसिफिक, यू नो, रिसेंटली लाइक अभी 2 महीने से आई एम ब्लैंक, कुछ नहीं है, लाइक कुछ नहीं आ रहा है। तो जब आइडिया नहीं आता है मैं चुरा लेती हूँ कहीं से किसी डिज़ाइनर का, पर जब अभी आता है तो आते जाते हैं। सो अभी 2-3 महीने से तो आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग, लाइक लिटरली आई कांट थिंक ऑफ एनीथिंग फॉर सम रीज़न। आई मेक अमेजिंग स्मूदी बोल्स, बेस्ट smoothie bowls you can get at my house.
After this trip, we are going to her house.
Please come. I think I can give you the recipe also. It is so good. Kuch nahi, I freeze some berries so that I get it always. And sometimes I make so every day it's a staple for me. I come back from the gym, I'll have a nice smoothie bowl. Some day it's chocolate smoothie bowl, some day it's cherry smoothie bowl, some day it's just berry smoothie bowl. So I take cherry. I freeze all of these things. आती हूँ, so cherries, थोड़ा सा योगर्ट, मैंगो पल्प, 1 scoop sugar, like flavorless protein powder. I mix it and ऊपर से उसको डालती हूँ थोड़े से ग्रेनोला, very little because इतना मुझे पसंद नहीं है, थोड़े से चॉकलेट के पीसेस, and then I have it. It's amazing.
आपके लाइफस्टाइल में कितना चेंज आपने लाया है, you know, when you started off your career as a celebrity completely?
Yeah, I completely changed my lifestyle. I was someone who used to wake up at 12. and matlab just chill at home, not do anything, no physical activity. But now I wake up at 6. I go to the gym, do weight training for good 40-50 minutes, and then I run for 30 minutes. I do boxing, and then I also, if I have time that day, I'll do Pilates. So there's a lot of change, and I eat healthy. And matlab, I eat my smoothie bowl, and then I have my palak juice. So I take palak, carrots, amla, sometimes even beetroot, and I blend it, and pineapples. I blend it and I have that juice every day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or like, have you been off drinking to maintain a healthy
No,
lifestyle?
that
Like,
is वो तो थोड़ा मुश्किल है मेरे लिए. So I do everything. मतलब but sometimes
like you
अभी
end up working out in a way, like if to.
no, I drink on the weekends.
Yeah.
But some days, of course, not every weekend. Maybe every second weekend I drink. Like and when I drink.
Coming from a conservative background, when as you spoke about in your show also, and coming back to this side of glamour, how things have unfolded for you? Was it very tough, to come out of that entire trauma, entire lifestyle, what you had earlier?
Honestly, it was not difficult to come out of that lifestyle because I always was a very modern and very not outgoing, but I was a modern girl. I was not like कि मेरे लिए oh suddenly I'm wearing shorts and I'm feeling uncomfortable, or suddenly going here and there it's making me uncomfortable. I always wanted this. So the transition, yes, I had a culture shock when I came to Mumbai. कि 3 बजे भी घूम सकते हैं. There's a club where girls can go drink and dance, and you can just hang out with your friends at some bars, and no one is judging you. And parents, I was like, when girls used to tell me, yeah, मैंने पापा को बोल दिया है मैं 2 बजे आऊँगी, and I'm like, is your father okay with it? How is that possible? Like हमारे यहाँ तो possible ही नहीं था. And girls telling कि कि हम मतलब I've informed my family कि मैं movie जा रही हूँ, informing the family about having a boyfriend, and I'm like, how is that possible? How is your father okay with it? And then no, my father is chill. I'm like, how? Like that was a shock.
Yeah. But also, coming to Mumbai, as you said, like culture shock हुआ, but कहीं ना कहीं एक comfort लगा because you have been an open-minded personality. It kind of related with your own personality.
Yeah. I have always felt like this is my home. Like I feel this is the place where I want to live for the rest of my life. Not even US or London or whatever. Like this Mumbai, I want to live here only.
When it comes to follow कर लो यार, आप सोशल मीडिया पे क्या सबसे ज़्यादा फॉलो करते हो?
मैं क्या फॉलो करती हूँ? Food videos. If you catch me on my phone, people think that what am I doing on my phone? I'm not talking to anyone. I'm just watching food videos. Even if you open my phone, I'll show you explore page looks like food. मैं यही सोचती रहती हूँ चीट डे पे ये खाऊंगी, चीट डे के दिन ये होगा, food.
Wow. Actually,
Food.
काफी food ही है.
Food. Every second post is food.
Yeah.
I love food. So बस मैं गिनती रहती हूँ कि अच्छा चीट डे के दिन ये खाया जाएगा, ये खाया जाएगा.
आप आगे की प्लानिंग कर लेते हो खाने को लेकर?
पूरा का पूरा. और फिर चीट डे के दिन I overdo. और फिर एक दिन वो ख़त्म नहीं होता. Like यही मेरी गलती है. मैं सैटरडे को सोचती हूँ कि आज तो सिर्फ अच्छा ठीक है बन मक्खन खा लेते हैं, बन मलाई खा लेते हैं चाय के साथ, और बिरयानी और कुछ मीठे में. एंड देन आई लव मीठा. सो आई ऑर्डर एवरीथिंग. मोतीचूर लड्डू, रस मलाई, मिल्क केक, मैसूर पाक.
सब खाते हो?
हाँ. एक बार मैंने अभी प्राइम वीडियो, माई शो वॉज अनाउंसिंग, आई वॉज सो हैप्पी दैट द शो इज अनाउंसिंग. आई एट 1 kg entire box of laddu all by myself, and then I puked. But then I was just so excited. I was like मोतीचूर के लड्डू गरम करके गरम पता ही नहीं चले, मैं खाती गई और फिर मुझे 2 मिनट बाद लगा ओ शिट मैंने 1 किलो खा लिया, and then I puked.
पर ऐसे कभी कुछ ऐसा फूड ऑब्सेशन हुआ है फॉर यू दैट यू लिटरली हैड टू लेट गो ऑफ इट बिकॉज वो इतना ओवरडू कर लिया है? फॉर एग्जांपल से आई यूज्ड टू ओवरडू हैविंग पिज़्ज़ास अ लॉट ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन, बट नाउ इफ यू सर्व मी आई डोंट गेट रियली अफेक्टेड बाय इट. ऐसे कुछ फूड ऑब्सेशन आपके लिए था?
मैंने आई थिंक वोडका का ऑब्सेशन कर लिया था. आई थिंक वंस आई हैड सो मच, वंस मतलब 5-6 years back, so much vodka they had to carry me on a wheelchair.
Really?
In Goa.
Oh my god.
I wasn't able to walk. I puked and still I wasn't able to walk. Imagine a girl in a club. उसको not even 5 years back, 3 years back, बिग बॉस में कर चुकी थी तब. Imagine there are people carrying me on a wheelchair and I'm still dancing wheelchair पे. That was crazy, man. Why do I do these things
So
to
one
me?
of those crazy nights you remember जहाँ पे literally आप एकदम से उठ पटांग थे, एकदम अतरंगी थे.
If you remember the crazy nights, were they really crazy? No. But I do have these nights, like me and my friends and all of our people, we just party and like I think we drink to our max capacity, where you don't remember कि क्या हुआ है क्या. I think I've done some weird shit when I'm drunk.
But do you prefer like in-house parties or do you prefer like going
No,
out?
no.
Yeah.
I like going out to restaurants. I don't like clubbing, but I like going out for dinners and sitting like this and having drinks with my friends, not in my house.
And was that one thing which you really need when you're drunk?
I need food.
Yeah.
If I'm drinking, I can't just drink. And चखना नहीं चाहिए मुझे खाना चाहिए. Like wherever we are, if it's a Chinese restaurant, I need proper food. If you're at a Indian restaurant or Mexican restaurant, I need proper food with my alcohol.
कमिंग बैक टू फॉलो कर लो यार, आपकी सिस्टर्स के साथ में कुछ ऐसे फाइट्स भी दिखाए गए एंड विच एक्चुअली काइंड ऑफ रिलेटेड टू द Kardashians एंड पीपल स्टार्टेड स्पीकिंग अबाउट दैट कि मे बी इट इज़ द इंडियन वर्जन टू इट. बट डू यू ऑल्सो फील दैट सिस्टर्स जब साथ में होती है तब झगड़े तो होते ही है? दैट्स वेरी कॉमन.
In fact, why are we relating it to Kardashians? We can relate it to every family that has more than 3 sisters. So if there are 4 women in a family, how many sisters you have?
She's also married and in abroad.
Then you don't know.
But
if-
my mom has, so I know that how.
I don't think so. They can talk for half an hour, more than half an hour without fighting with each other. It's not possible, and I'm very sure ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता है कि चारों के चारों की बन रही है. कभी ऐसा होगा कि 2 की 2 से लड़ाई हो चुकी है तो वो 2 आपस में गॉसिप कर रही हैं और वो 2 आपस में गॉसिप कर रही हैं. आई एम वेरी श्योर यू मस्ट बी हियरिंग अपनी मम्मी से कि आज इस मासी से अच्छा हमारी बातें बंद हो गई हैं, या इन खाला की इस खाला से बात बंद हो गई है. इट्स जस्ट नेचुरल.
But they have come in support of you. And Urfi, as you know, as I speak about this one, there's this one thing which is very good about you, which is raw and real. You have been okay to speak about fillers, botox, boob job. Do you also, like, when you overeat, do you feel like doing liposuctions, or have you ever done such treatments?
No. Liposuction, I think that is just unnecessary. I feel maybe after you give birth, a woman's body changes. I think then it's necessary. But before that, you can just try working out. I mean, I don't know, liposuction, not that I've not given it a thought when I was a bit chubby, but then I just started working out and eating good. So I decided that I'll work out and eat good for my body instead of just doing liposuction.
And do you also feel that your metabolism is very good?
No.
कभी ऐसा weight put on दिखा नहीं है Urfi ने.
दिखा है मुझे. नहीं, my metabolism is not that great. So metabolism also increases when you start eating healthy and working out. If you don't eat healthy, you don't work out, your metabolism will go down. It's just a fact. So you have to work out to get good metabolism.
Talking about botox and fillers, not many of them openly say about it. What made you to be that vocal? Even that chipped teeth, no one says that something like that shows on a camera like that, but you chose to be raw and real.
I had no option. मतलब अभी we are shooting for a reality show.
Yeah.
So the cameras were there. So भी कैमरा के सामने हुआ है and the cameras are supposed to capture everything. So that will happen. It's not like I had a choice, and it's okay. I feel it's a reality show. We need to give our 100% to the audience. Otherwise, how will I justify this being called a reality show? And honestly, fillers and botox are not a big deal for me. They're like getting facial now. I don't think so. It's like it's a big deal now.
When kids get done, now.
Yeah, 17, 18, it's not a big deal. It's like facial. So I don't understand the reason to hide anything about it. It's okay.
Like I remember seeing one of those videos of an actor. He said like it's my profession which demands it.
Rajkumar?
Not Rajkumar. His picture actually went viral, but some of the TV celebrities who actually confessed that it's okay. Like I do that botox.
He was in boy band something. I think I've seen the reel.
Yes.
I mean, I feel if we're in this industry, we all know that जैसे we age, everything, the opportunities lessen. या फिर उनको एक टाइप कास्ट कर दिया जाएगा कि सिर्फ बुढ़े का रोल मिल रहा है, दादा का रोल मिल रहा है.
Correct.
बड़े भाई का रोल मिल रहा है, सो एवरी वन वॉन्ट्स टू हैव मोर अपॉर्चुनिटी, सो इट्स एंड वी ऑल लाइक लुकिंग यंग. इट्स नॉट जस्ट एक्टर्स, इवन किसी को भी अभी 35 साल की भी किसी लड़की को आजकल आंटी बुला दो, दे गेट ऑफेंडेड कि आंटी क्यों बोला मुझे. बच्चे अभी 2-4 साल के बच्चे आंटी बुलाएंगे ना 30 साल की औरत को. सो इवन women get offended, men also get offended when you call them uncle. Like बच्चे, अगर बच्चे अंकल बुला रहे हैं, which I feel is okay. So I think that's just inbuilt somewhere
That
in
led
us.
to a lot of debate for you on social media with one of these TV actresses, Chakat Khanna. I think. She got quite offended, when you called her auntie or something, and the context was something else altogether.
अभी आपकी उम्र हो गई तो why do you want to compete with someone who's half your age first of all?
Yeah.
So I was just trying to show my respect, man. Not that she deserves any respect, but I was just being nice.
Have you been maintaining any boundaries, ever since your popularity has also increased when it comes to the industrial norms?
Boundaries as in like not meeting people or
No, just like not, agreeing to every whims and fancies offered to you.
no. I'm not a people pleaser. In fact, I also say no to everything. My team has to convince me, and I do what only I feel is good. And boundaries are there around me. I don't even let people in my life very easily. I'll not even meet friends. Like I'll tell my friends that if we're going out, that just don't get your friends. If I don't like them, especially don't get that person. I don't get good vibes, or I try to maintain that circle around me. I like to keep it close.
Yeah. And that speaks about your recent confession about your sex life, which literally went viral on the internet, that you have not had sex for 3 years. And
3.5 now.
3.5 now, okay.
It's
so
6
what
months
is the reason behind this? Like, why are you keeping this?
No, as in there's
And what made you confess also something about it?
I mean, we all discuss that with our friends, our sex lives and everything. I discuss everything with my female friends. So it's just we were having lunch and I think I got a bit tipsy and I said it. So, but my friends know about this. I think it more than, it was a conscious decision, of course, that I really want to concentrate on my career. And I didn't want to waste my time on guys who would just, I just didn't want to waste my time. I thought this time can be better used towards my career because I was just growing, I was just building it up, and I knew it that if I waste my time, if I cry over a guy or on petty issues, it's not going to get me anywhere for now. But let's see, maybe, you never know.
And as you said in the show also, you don't want a fuck buddy.
Yeah, so
you really want like,
exactly.
a proper relationship.
So if it's not a relationship, I can't just be with a guy. We need to be in a proper relationship for me to open up like that.
You really want to buy a private jet before like you find a guy, is that so?
I mean, yeah, but ऐसा ना हो कि फिर 80 साल की हो जाऊँ मैं और फिर कुछ बचे ही नहीं. I can't, फिर प्राइवेट जेट भी ना मिले और लड़का भी ना मिला फिर तो मैं ऐसे ही मर जाऊँगी. That'll be too fucked up. No, I'm okay if I get a guy. अभी बीच में, as long as we date and we're good to go. I mean, now I'm okay. I don't mind.
What's your type of ideal guy? Like, what really Urfi Javed likes?
Like, मतलब ऐसा, I've been asked this question so many times and I also thought about it. And I look at all the exes that I have dated.
Yeah.
If you also look at them, there's zero similarity. Literally zero. Vibe match हो गई, बातें कर ले गए हम दो बैठे 2-3 घंटा और पता नहीं, and he should want the same thing. By want the same thing, I mean he should be wanting a relationship and something like that. So I don't mind then.
Have you ever cheated in a relationship? Like, have
No.
you ever?
I have been
double
cheated on.
crossed? You haven't cheated on.
Yeah, I've never cheated. Like I have broken up with guys. One guy, because I felt I wasn't attracted to him anymore and I was attracted to someone else. So I just told that person on his face that I don't think so this is working out. I'm not attracted to you anymore and I'm attracted to someone else. So that I've done.
Do you feel that men right now, especially are not that attractive like before? Like, do you
No.
see any kind of change? What happens on social media? I'm just saying, we're going by the
I know what you mean कि लड़के आजकल रील वील बना रहे हैं.
As Salman said, no, not about real. Like Salman said,
मर्दानगी नहीं रहेगी
men
लड़कों
are
में.
not men anymore. Yeah.
नहीं मैं समझ गई हूँ. What do you mean? Men are not menning anymore. So you like men. I got your type. I got your type. I know what you mean.
Did you feel so?
I mean,
to ask you.
I want to date a straight guy. If that's what you're asking. Yeah, I would want a straight guy, and I don't care, by the way, if he's taking care of his skin or whatever. That is okay with me.
Yeah.
But I would want a guy who I feel it's just a female thing, that you want a guy you feel who can protect you. It's just a very female thing to have, which is okay. I
Are
don't
you
know.
into older men? Like, have you ever dated someone who's really
Oh yeah,
older
yeah,
for you?
yeah. Okay. That's one thing about me. I will not date younger guys. If even if you're of my age, I will not date you. I'm sorry. So I only like guys who are like at least 5 years, 10 years. I don't mind older guys. That is okay. Cool with me.
And coming back to food, set पर आप क्या खाना पसंद करते हो सबसे ज़्यादा?
Set.
What's that one thing जो आप नहीं खाते हो या नहीं चाहिए आप?
मेरा इतना सेट पे जाना वाना होता नहीं. मेरा सेट ही मेरा घर है. Like it's a follow
ये बहुत ही
reality.
rare चीज़ है ना actually that घर को ही set बना लिया आपने.
So I can eat whatever I want. घर पे ही बनता है. So mostly I eat grilled chicken a lot without oil. So I just put Greek yogurt, some masala, and I grill it.
I've seen that one of your videos. I think
Yeah,
you
yeah.
have shared that as well.
you know, in the show,
Yeah.
like in the show, if
I've
you've
seen
seen it,
that,
I'm eating that grilled chicken, and I also I love mutton. Mutton. I can eat mutton every day. I love mutton so much, and grilled fish and vegetables मुझे इतने पसंद नहीं है. If I'll be honest, I'm not into. पर मुझे fruits बहुत पसंद है.
Yeah.
और मीठा तो मुझे इतना पसंद है, तो मैं कुछ ना कुछ ट्राई करती रहती हूँ. शुगर फ्री केक बनाना,
अच्छा.
या अंडों से, इससे उससे शुगर फ्री केक्स.
But are you also so mindful, so demure right now?
Mindful in what way?
Mindful as in like the latest trend on social media, which is about so mindful, so demure.
Yeah, I don't understand what is demure and mindful.
So basically, it's just looking like a wow. It's the Indian version, just looking like a wow. How that video went viral.
Okay.
This TikTok lady has made her own video that is like simplicity and accepting your own self. You know, being comfortable with what you are in your skin, rather than pleasing the others.
Actually, I'm not comfortable, so I'm not demure. I have a lot of insecurities, and I keep. It's my insecurity that I want to get my fillers and botox and boob jobs. So and I want to stay in this shape. Like I want to be this skinny, even skinnier. So I think I am not demure. I think I'm very, very insecure.
And before I wrap this up, I have to ask you, Urfi, what are you focusing more on now, projects-wise? Will we get to see you in Bollywood films also?
बॉलीवुड फिल्म
Yeah.
नहीं यार, बॉलीवुड फिल्म का तो कोई ऑफर नहीं है.
Yeah.
पर मुझे करना है FKLY का सीजन 2.
अच्छा.
या मतलब मेरी फॉलो कर लो यार का सीजन 2. So I'm just I am focusing, but I hope Prime also focuses on it, and we get a heads up for that. So that's my only goal for now, and my entrepreneurship.
Lovely chatting with you, Urfi.